Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn how to create Tkinter menu and menu item in Python. First, I'm going to import Tkinter. STK. And now I'm going to create an instance by using tk. And now I'm going to set our string variable. I will name it text variable, and this will be tk dot string var, and value will be set to hello. And now I'm going to create a label. I will name it a label, and I will use Tkinter method label and pass in our GUI and our text variable set to our text var over here, which is hello. So it's gonna be text var, and now I'm going to pack label. So this way our label is added to our GUI. Now I'm going to create a main menu, and I will name it main menu and use TK's menu and pass in our GUI. So it will create our main menu for our interface, GUI interface. Now I'm going to add a menu item by calling main menu dot add, and its type will be of command type. That means if we are going to click on this menu, then some command will be called. That command can be a function or other command. These command types are label buttons. When click, they run a callback. Now the label, the text we want to show on our label is set to exit, and command is set to our GUI dot quit, mean exit. So when we are going to click on this label or button type label, then this command will be called. It is GUI is quit, so we are going to quit. Now I'm going to add a sub menu. It's gonna be sub menu, and I will use tk dot menu to create a sub menu, and we need to pass in our main menu and set tier of equals to false. This is equal sign over here. Creating submenu is similar to creating a menu, except that we specify the parent menu as the widget's parent. Also notice the tier of argument. By default, submenu in Tkinter are tierable, which means they can be pulled off and moved around as independent windows. To make it simple, I just turn it off by setting its value to false. Now to the sub menu, I'm going to add an item, sub menu, and I can use add command. This add command is equals to this one over here, that we are adding a menu item of type command, and then we are going to set our label. Change, I'm going to change tags. We are going to change the tags when we are going to click on this menu item. We want to change hello to some other text. So we are going to do that by using a Lambda function, or you can also create a function and do a callback. So here we are going to see example of a Lambda function. So command over here, which is set to callback function. So here I'm going to use a lambda expression to create our callback to this one. And now I'm going to change the text, and our variable name is text, which is set to on our label. This will be text var dot set. We are going to change its text from hello to what. We have that variable set over here on our label. So when we are going to click this menu item, that text will be changed from hello to what. Now I'm going to add this menu to our main menu by using a add cascade method. So we added item to this sub menu, so I'm going to add it back to our main menu, this sub menu, and for that I'm going to use a cascade method of main menu. So over here, main menu dot add underscore cascade, and the label is set to the cascade to allow us to add a submenu to the menu. The submenu is just another Tkinter's menu object. The label will be set to text. I will make the T uppercase, and then our menu will be set to submenu. Now I'm going to run our GUI by calling GUI dot main loop, and we main loop function, and we are just going to save our program and run. These F need to be uppercase. Here I missed to set up the main menu code over here. After this, creating our main menu, I need to add to our GUI. It's gonna be GUI dot config menu is set to our main menu. This should be function. Now I need to just run our program. And here it is our, I'm just gonna extend it. Now we can see our menu, exit, tags, and when I click on tags, we can see a submenu, change tags. Let's click on change tags, and there's our label over here, hello. It should change when we click on change tags. Let's click on it. You can see hello is changed to what. So this way you can add menus and sub menus to Tkinter in Python. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Code. Keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.